All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol SANP right now, currently traded at 0017 pullback. We are seeing a pullback the last few days. It's pretty obvious. I did take a look at this stock, but because of the fact that we looked at this stock yesterday and it was green and it was rallying and it was going and it was going, it was like, holy cow. And then at the end of the day, things just started falling apart. That is for sure with SANP. Let me go ahead and pull up the message board over here. Time and sales right here as well. Let's take a look here at the time and sales. Well, that's a pretty big block over here. 3.5 million shares right there. That's a pretty big block just a few minutes ago, rather. It's 0016. So yes, I mean, right there seems to be stabilizing in that 0016 area. In my opinion, 0016 is definitely going to be a support line coming off of yesterday. Yesterday's close at 0016. So really, really nice at that level for support for SANP. With that being said, I do want to point out one other thing here, that when this volume continues to weaken, if this volume does continue to weaken, I do want you to keep in mind here, the penny stock gap ups don't do this. If you're new, this is your first time watching, I'd really encourage you to check out this information because of the fact that you will come back and say, boy, did that help me. Go on YouTube and look up penny stock gap ups don't do this. You'll understand what's going on here. There was a huge amount of money to make. A huge amount yesterday, hitting that high of 0029. Huge move, guys. That's we're talking 100% gains in just the fluctuation of that day from the low 0014. Somebody could have got in there at that bottom yesterday at 0014, coming off that support line, and then boom, just jumping out at 0028 would have been 100% gain for that person. So then you're like, why is everybody selling? Well, that's why they're taking their profits. These are the guys that know what they're doing because they're watching that bottom line over here and that bottom line on 09. I'm sorry, on October 9th. Okay, 0014, you guys do have a gap down there between the 0014 and 0012. With the volume weakening the way it is right now, I would just go ahead and wait on it unless that buying pressure really start picking back up, because if it doesn't, you guys are going to come back down and fill this gap, and then you guys are going to be coming back to me in a week from now saying, son of a bitch, I wish I would have listened more. And 0012 right there, going to fill that gap between that 0012 and 0014. That's if that volume continues to slow. If not, I want to see a close at or above, preferably above 0020. Will put you guys back into the rally mode, but I'm going to go ahead and let this one chill out here for a few days and let it go sideways and let that buying pressure start picking up naturally to get these people out that are currently taking their profit. So 10, 11, 0017, we are going to put our resistance levels back into here, not too far off of what we did yesterday, at 0025, 20 rather, 0020, it's going to be pretty solid there. 0020 resistance levels, 0025 for now. Yeah, because that 2 zeros now is going to become a resistance support level. 0016, 14, 12, and then, in my opinion, might go sideways for a few days if buying not pick up. A break of 0020 would trigger a rally, again, in my opinion. And then right here, watch for the bounce after gap fills 0014 and 12. Okay, so that's going to be the gap that watch for the bounce after the gap fills at 14 and 12 for SANP. Again, if you guys are following this one back before it really started taking off, and you could have done so live with us over here on investorshangout.com/live. So if you're watching this video and you want to participate in one of the hottest live streams, during the trading hours, I definitely encourage you to head over to investorshangout.com, and up here in the top right hand corner, click on live, and that is going to show you the next showtime and time over here on investorshangout.com. SANP, we're going to be watching for this one. Watch for that gap to fill and to bounce off that level, but right now you're going to go sideways for a few days, in my personal opinion, and then more than likely start to rally back up, because this thing, it has been really nicely walking itself up. SANP, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it, and share this video with all other investors. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we will cover it. And like I said, don't forget to join us over here on investorshangout.com/live.